Alright, just a quick video now before I go to work. I don't know if I mentioned this, but the shower head in my upstairs ensuite bathroom broke, so I had to take a shower upstairs in my ensuite. The main shower head broke, so I had to get a shower in the ensuite. That's what I meant to say. So that was odd, but anyway, I hadn't done that in years. I think I only used that shower a couple of times in the 15 years since I bought this house. And what else? The dog went back to my father, and now I'm getting ready for work. Getting ready. It was a pleasure having the dog here. I gotta say, I enjoyed that. He enjoyed being here. We had lots of walks. I didn't get a whole lot of exercise done though, because for whatever reason, not gonna blame the dog. But still, it was nice having him here. So now I'm going to eat these pork chops. I got a couple of burgers here that I did not deal with, so I better cook them as much as I don't really want them. I guess I'll cook them now. Yeah, I guess I better cook them, or else they're just gonna end up in the garbage. So this was an unexpected cooking thing. And I'm just waiting for some hot water now so I can pour it down the sink where I had the drain out. The drain has clogged. So I'm getting a few things dealt with, a few minor things. The clogged drain. I had to fix the shower head. I was in the shower the other day and the thing broke. There's no ring that holds the whole contraption on, and that broke, so water was spraying everywhere. I took that off, and then of course the water was coming at me like a laser beam. So at least I do have a new handheld shower hose thing, but I just haven't installed it yet. So the option was to try to install that before I go to work, which should have been an easy job, but I didn't want to mess around with it. I just wanted to have a shower. I didn't want to spend 30 minutes messing around potentially and then try to get a shower and waste my time. So I just took the shower in the ensuite, and I'll fix that shower head thing at a different date. So that's basically what's going on with me. So now I was just about to make the coffee. Well, that's not true. I was just about to heat up the food and have the food, but as a result of leaving those burgers there, I decided I'll throw those burgers in. So that's what's going on with me. I'm cooking the burgers, and yeah, I fixed the clogged sink with some drain out, and I took a shower in the ensuite. So basically, the point of this video is that everything is falling apart all the time. when you're a homeowner or when you're just living your life. Also, I'm putting some Tylenol and Advil in this little container so I can take them to work, because sadly my tooth is starting to bother me again and it's starting to swell again. So if this doesn't go under control, I'm gonna have to see the doctor about it once again, which is very, very, very disappointing. But that's the reality of it. So that's where I stand. Tooth getting bad, whatever. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna flip these burgers over when they come out and cook them on the other side, and they're probably going in the fridge for tomorrow, and I'll probably have them with some eggs. I'm gonna eat these pork chops and go to work. It's starting to get late now, sadly. But that's it. The weather is crap. It's very wet and rainy out, but it doesn't look cold. Still, I'm glad I switched over my tires yesterday, or wheels. But now there's an oil patch in my garage. So you can't win. There's always something breaking. Hopefully I can get the car dealt with cheaply or whatever. But other than that, back to work for another week. So I called my father after I dropped the dog off. I left him there for an hour or so. When I called him, he said that the dog is not bothering him. The dog understands there's something going on. So that's good. Woo! Smoky. Smoky. That is a lot of smoke. Flippy 1. Ooh. Flippy 2. Back in the oven you go. Now, I'm doing 6 minutes aside for these burgers because, as we talked about before, the ground beef needs to be properly cooked. Enough heat, enough to kill all the germs that are potentially throughout the beef. Whereas on a steak or a roast, it's just on the surface. Now, hopefully that broiler is working. Anyway, I still have a few minutes left to wait for that. Then I'm going to turn that off. Clothes are nice and clean. I had a nice shower. Did not do a shave video this weekend. I just shaved with the electric razor, but I'll be putting up a shaving video before you know it. Anyway, that's about all that's going on here before I go to work. So, till next time, who loves you, baby? This guy, don't forget about it. Remember, you're somebody's favorite person in this world. Probably mine. So till next time, love you and goodbye. We're going to stay positive as best we can. We're going to be as patient as we can, and we're going to wait with as much dignity as we can for better times. And hopefully these tough times don't last forever. Anyway, love you. Goodbye.